Hey everyone, this is Jared here with Team Adventures with BG, and today I am looking at the Adventure Ready Adventure Toiletry Kit. Um, cool package. There's a quick look at all of the stuff in it. So it's going to have bottles, a tooth cleaning kit, some towelettes, some soap flakes, and a mirror. So that's kind of what you get. So opening it up, it is just kind of in this. It's a soft, but it's a harder case than you would expect. Here we just have this holding handle, and this right here, it's open, but you slide it through, right? If you can see, like this, and then you can close it up and cinch it down. That way you can really make sure that it's closed, but we don't want to do that because we want to get into it and check this out. And here's the little locking mechanism, right? So you can lock that around something or slide it through a tree branch or whatever, right? So this is made to go, traveling, camping, anything like that. But opening up, so we see this mirror. It is attached by a little piece of Velcro, so that's neat. So shaving, contacts, that kind of stuff, if you take them with you, so you could change those out. This thing flips down, and if you do it all the way, right, so when it's hanging, you can adjust it to be a little table. So it's a little loose for me, but right, you get the idea. And then these are your soap flakes, so you'll put them in one of the other containers. And this little molly thing is where you can put anything else you want. So if you want to push your medications through here, this is super flexible, so your bottle goes in there. So tweezers, toenail clippers, like if you had those contacts and you needed a contact case, that could go in there. Any sort of nasal spray, so just you can fit all sorts of stuff in there, and as long as this goes flat, it'll probably still work. So then moving on, we have these 3 bottles. So for me, it's going to be like lotion, sunscreen, and probably some sort of bug spray. That's what's going to keep me safe. So those are going to be the big liquid items I need. And then what we have here is these are the towelettes. So you get 10 towelettes. And they come in a little plastic holder, so you may want to remove those. But these get wet and they expand to be much bigger. So that is one side. And then on the other side is where you would put these biodegradable soap flakes. So you would put those in, and then as you need to wash your hands or something else, you put a little flakes on there and then wash them up. And then the final thing is going to be the toothbrush. So here is this little guy, came in plastic. It's not super smooth, but it's not terrible. And then you attach your toothbrush head, and boom, you're ready to go. But with that space, there are toothbrush tablets that you can buy. So I have some. I used them before, and you can just fill this up. That way you are always ready to go, and you don't need liquid toothpaste. You can save a little weight and space. So for me, I'm very excited about this. I have a hygiene kit. I use it when I go to the gym, when I go camping, when I travel. And it is getting pretty rough. So I was like, okay, I need something dedicated to take with me when I go camping and roughing. So I saw this product. I thought it would be great. So I'm excited to use it. It's going to have soap. It's going to have all the basic things I need. I'll be able to put some medicine, a couple of other things in here, toenail clippers, tweezers, and a couple of medicines, so antihistamines. So if there's pollen and fungus going around, I'll be okay. So it looks very durable. Excited to take this car camping and traveling. So thanks for watching, and make sure you join me on my next adventure.